Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we are going to show you incredible machines and tools for road and railroad construction. But before we proceed, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon. As you know, asphalt plays a vital role in today's road construction. This machine is designed by ETNYRE to distribute liquid asphalt in an efficient way. It has a unique circulating system that includes air-powered primary asphalt valves, removable strainer in the pump suction line, and a 20-gallon flushing oil tank with a line to the asphalt pump. A thin layer of asphalt plays a crucial role in forming a bonding surface in advance of hot mix overlays. After spraying liquid asphalt, rock chips are spread by the chip spreader. Both of these machines optimize speed and accuracy. ANDALE construction is best for road construction. They use modern machines for road stabilization. First of all, the slurry is mixed in the soil at a depth of 4 feet. This allows the cement to stay in place for better soil to cement ratio when mixed. This machine also helps us to measure slurry added to that area. Next, a tiller machine is used to mix soil and the slurry. It can mix between 4 and 15 inches deep. Then, a pad foot vibrator follow behind the tiller to compact the mixed cement soil. After satisfactory compaction of soil, with the help of the grading machine, the soil is graded at the recommended level. Next up, we have the VÖGELE AG Super 1803. This machine has a compact design. It can be used for variable pave width and is renowned for its high performance. The Super 1800-3 is the ideal paver for surfacing footpaths and cycle paths, as well as for minor paving jobs and pavement repairs. Its excellent value for money and particularly simple operating concepts make the Super 1800-3 an ideal partner for motorway projects and tight roundabouts. This machine, known as the RU1800S, is one of the largest moving machines ever built. It is 580 feet in length. It's longer than the Great Pyramid of Giza. When packed with ballast and rafters, the train weighs about 650 tons. It removes the old track, changes the concrete sleepers, adds extra ballast, and even bolts everything together. Most of the work is done automatically. And that means RU800S usually replaces 2 full kilometers a day before one. Optimas has made the world's most modern paving machine. The S19 is extremely fast and lays pavement quickly and cleanly in record time. It is made for a productive working day. Regardless of construction sites, it perfectly works with a combination of the 2-axle turntable steering and the endless rotary gripper gear. The S19 can always be used optimally. With it, you lay more than 1,000 square meters per day. Whether lying in an underground car park or tapping stone layers from a height of 2.6 meters, this pavement laying machine is unstoppable. The Tiger Stone is a paving machine 6 meters wide, allowing a perfect street or road repave in one go. The Tiger Stone directly applies the edge finish. Throughout the final result, the stones are firmly locked between the curbs immediately. The road is all in one go, and no waste or scrap is on the road. You can pave 300 meters squared per day. Tiger Stone requires no cutting as it applies the edge, finishing immediately. With this machine, you can process several elements at the same time. No doubt, it is a low maintenance cost and smooth operation. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.